My weekend was really busy, but very special. On Saturday, we went to do the 3-year photo shoot for my daughter, and it was a great moment. After that, we spent the rest of the day at my in-laws' house, talking, relaxing a bit, and enjoying time together. On Sunday, there was no rest at all. We cleaned the house, organized everything, and later we went to my parents' house. My sister was there with my niece, so we spent time with them and had a really nice family afternoon. Honestly, I didn't rest because the days went by so fast and there was a lot to do. But the best part of the weekend was definitely being surrounded by my family. That always makes everything worth it.